Welcome to speedearning.com, speedearning.in, and we are discussing today how to trade repair in MCX daily trade. Suppose you are trading in MCX and generally you are trading in 9-10 commodities of your choice, whether it may be from metal side or it may be from this agri side, whatever it is. So suppose I am taking an example. You bought copper at 360, and we told you to have the stop loss, strict stop loss with minimum size, means 50 paisa, 70 paisa, or maximum 1 point. But there may be uh, rule breaking, so you didn't consider to follow the rule, and somehow you are having the loss of 5 points. You didn't place the stop loss there. So now it was 360 rupees buying price and now it is running 355. Now what to do? So generally, what is the biggest mistake? You entered when there was a sudden up move, so bought at a wrong level, and then from 360 when it came to 357 you bought one more or two more lots. So that is cost averaging at wrong level. So that is not a right way. So you made two mistakes consecutively, and that is increasing your losses, which losses are seeming unbearable. So what I am telling you, suppose if some script is coming down and if it is already 5 point down, then now accept this. First of all, accept this. You have lost 5,000 rupees, 4,000 rupees, whatever it is. Now have you lost 5,000 rupees sometime? So can't you be able to take a chance with 500 or 1,000 more rupees? So what can we do there? You just see the chart, and if it is near any support level, so I suggest you to buy at 355 and keep a stop loss of 40 paisa, and we shall plan this 40 paisa stop loss for twice. Suppose it is reversing from there and having a short covering only, short covering of 2 point or 2.5 point, so that will give you a relief. That relief will bring you back in the game. So that is one condition. Second condition is reduce the position in losses. When there is a loss making position, cut the size. So suppose you are having one big lot of copper. How to reduce? Because this is the single lot. So we suggest you, suppose it was 360 and it came to 358 going to 57. You can do one thing, sell the big lot, and instead of that you can buy two mini lots. So you cut your position to 50%. That is a good idea. Then cut the losing position and just look for any strong script that time from any sector. You just go to in.investing.com, you just go to profitndtv.in and just see if there is any script available with OI increase and price rise or OI increase and price decrease. If there is some commodity which is showing some clarity, so you can do one thing, make a position in that particular script which is showing clarity on that day. Suppose you trapped in copper, but copper is not moving now, it is going downside. So what did we do? We cut our position in copper, and now we are making a position in crude, because crude is stronger and it is near its high, and after 3 days continuous fall there may be a short covering. So we are making position, a little position means 2 or 3 mini lots there. We bought at CMP, we put some more lots buying on lower price, and some lots at when it is breaking the high. So some buying is placed also there. So what will happen? Suppose crude is showing some movement, it is giving you the support. So you cut your losses from 5,000 to 2,500 only, and then you got 1,000-1,200 rupees from this crude trade. So now your loss reduced to 1,200-1,500 rupees only, and that can be reverted in next time slot and next trading day. So that should be your style. And when you are covering your losses, don't try to cover your loss in a single shot. Suppose you bought the crude and now there is a possibility that it may go up by 50 points or 80 points, and you are seeing, you are listening, you are hearing so many good news, but I don't suggest you to stay there with all the lots. So what should be your method? Suppose crude is giving you 28 or 25 points right now. So just book the profit and keep stop loss buying in a few number of lots. Suppose already you are having 10 lots. Now I suggest you to have the stop loss buying with 5 lots only. Whenever the level is increasing, reduce your number of lots, reduce your volume. So that will give you a defensive approach, and in that case you are not going back to major losses. Now you are recovering your losses step by step, and if you are mentally prepared to recover your loss by 30%, 50% today and 30 to 50% tomorrow, then there is a possibility with your balance that you will cover the loss on the same day only. So what I suggest, to keep the balance, to keep the control in your mind, keep the control in your hands, and that is the best thing to have the trade repair in any market. So we were talking about MCX trade repair. So what were 3 points? Just cut down the losing position, first thing. Second thing, just look for the gaining position. If there is no clarity, wait for the next slot. And third thing, keep booking profit and keep the stop loss buying above high. If there is a big move, there will be further trade activated and we shall get some more loss recovery. But don't try to recover the loss in single shot, because in hustle, if you are doing something, you might get late, or you might reach never to the destination. So that's why we are suggesting you to go with a cool and calm mind. Just keep calling us. We are discussing regularly in our classes, and if you are having any difficulty, you can tell us and we shall rectify your mistakes first, then we are going further in the studies. Thank you very much. Bye.